Good morning, Alex. Good morning. Oh, are we having fun playing today? Oh, so now you're going to be still. You were just giggling before. Oh, no lip. Oh my goodness. Oh, there you go. Oh, yeah. Oh, happy baby. Happy baby. Let's see, if I move this, does it go in and out? Oh, it does. That was nice. Let's play. Ooh. You're gonna hit the butterfly? There you go. Ooh, hit the butterfly. Oh, good job, you hit it. Good job. Here, hit it again. Hit it again. No? Okay. Oh, what a good girl, Alex. Oh, good job, you hit it. Okay.